What's up again, Minasan? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be exploring the widest falls in the Philippines, which is the Tinoyan Falls. Just so you know guys, Tinoyan Falls is a multi-tiered waterfall in Bislig Sur del Sur in the southern island of Mindanao, Philippines. Naka-zoom here, di? Anyway guys, Bislig City is also known as the booming city by the bay. And if you're confused guys about the information I gave to you, you don't need to worry because that was from Google. Basically, nagpa-bright ako din sa voiceover o nagpa-English ra. But in real life, bubo ito. Anyway, before reaching the proper area of Tinoyan Falls, guys, you will first see its entrance facade. And beside with it, it's a small store where you can buy foods for your detox. So, muna siya guys, ang entrance facade nila. Lain po siguro sa feelings guys no of magtanaw rami. So, ang buhat, syempre, mag-picture. Kung mag-picture, of course, para na documentation sa Jessica Soho. Voila guys! Welcome to Tinoyan Falls. So, picture sa ta, kadyot. The time nga naglaag ni diri sa Tinoyan Falls mga dol, it was actually kanang ulan-ulan good and kanang nang the reason nga gusog kaayo ang iyang tubig. It's because ulan-ulan siya, gusog ang iyang water flow sa tubig. Upon entering guys, maujud ni ang beauty nga mubungad sa imong pagpasilong. So relaxing and it's really beautiful. Grabe yun siya ka-wide. That's why it's called the widest falls in the Philippines because its size is really wide. Super. Taisa. Magpasto mo sa tikay, pinangalig na documentation namin. Pak, namuana na mga post. Naapa, tanatana sa taas post. Naapa jud, marag nalumos. Of course, kami po duha sa akong my love. Di na mawala ang mong post. Anyway guys, if you want an adventure in Tinoyan Falls, nasa like tourist guide na makaguide sa inyo paingon sa taas and pwede na sila bayaran kung pila ra imong gusto ibayad sa ila. Doesn't matter. So mauna ni guys ang top part sa Tinoyan Falls na makita nimo. Very overlooking gyud siya. Makita nimo ang ubos sa Tinoyan Falls and worth it ang among gibayad sa tour guide. Kay nagamit pud siya. So these are the photos guys that we took in Tinoyan Falls. And that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlog and I hope you will subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you so much and have a great day.